Three people sustained minor injuries in an explosion in a gas pipeline in Tata steel plant on Saturday, a company official said. The blast occurred around 10:20 am and the injured employees were taken to Tata Main Hospital and administered first aid, he said. This morning, we reported an incident of blasting sound in a coke plant unit which was non-operational and is undergoing a dismantling process at our Jamshedpur works. Our emergency response team immediately reached the incident site. The area was cordoned off and the situation brought under control, the steelmaker said in a statement. Two of the injured people have been discharged and one is under observation, it said, adding there has been no impact on production. As per the standard safety protocol, the incident was immediately reported to authorities concerned and further investigation is ascertain. The cause of the explosion is underway, it said. Factory Inspector Jamshedpur Circle Binit Kumar Singh told PTI that a probe will be conducted to ascertain the exact cause behind the incident that caused minor injuries to 3 people.